Pasulka, IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com. And today, we're going to look at the 8th question from the Digital SAT Test 1. And the question reads, what is the main idea of the text? And we get a little background up here, always read it. The following text is adapted from William Shakespeare's 1609 poem, Sonnet 27. The poem is addressed to a close friend as if he were physically present. So it says, as if he were physically present, he must not be there. And I'm going to give a little commentary as we go. Weary with toil. Toil is work. Weary is tired. Tired from work. I hurry to my bed. So what do you do in bed? Looks like he's looking to go to sleep. The deer repose for limbs with travel tired. So it sounds like he's tired from traveling a long way, and repose means like relax. So the deer relaxation for his limbs, his arms and legs are tired from traveling. But then begins a journey in my head. So it sounds like his thoughts are taking him away, a journey travel in his head. To work, my mind, when body's work expired. So his mind's going to work since his day working is done. For then my thoughts, far from where I abide. So where he abides is where he is, like physically present. And his thoughts are far away from where he is physically present. Begin with a zealous pilgrimage to thee. So zealous means like it's from the same root as the word zeal. It's great enthusiasm and energy. Begin very enthusiastic, energetic. Pilgrimage is travel. Travel to you. Thee is old way of saying you. And a pilgrimage is like some travel that you would make. So his mind has this energetic, enthusiastic traveling, like he's thinking about this person in an energetic, enthusiastic way. And keep my drooping eyelids open wide. So drooping eyelids, when do your eyelids droop? It's when you're tired. So his tired eyelids are open wide because he's thinking of this person. So once again, what's the main idea of the text? Answer choice A, the speaker is asleep and dreaming about traveling to see a friend. We know that that's wrong because in the last line, we see that his eyelids are open wide. Answer choice B, speaker is planning an upcoming trip to a friend's house. It's just his thoughts, his mind. It's a journey in my head. So he's not literally planning a trip to go see his friend. The speaker is too fatigued to continue discussion with the friend. They're actually not talking. Once again, the journey is in his head. And then answer choice D, the speaker is thinking about the friend instead of immediately falling asleep. Answer choice D looks like that's our best answer because again, we get it's in his mind. He's thinking about him and he's not immediately falling asleep. In the last lines, we see that his eyelids are wide open. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty translating these poems, especially this old English stuff, 1609. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.